Hello. Where are you? Hello. Good evening. Hehe. Good evening. Huh? Peekaboo. Where's teacher? Peekaboo. Oof. Hi. Okay, come on, come on. Sit down. Hello, hello. Hehe. How are you? How are you? Yeah. Are you happy today?
Yeah.
Yes, you're happy today. That's nice. And I'm very happy too. Yes. And Teacher Merle is ready. Are you ready? Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, so if you are ready, let's start our lesson. What is our lesson for today, my dear boy? Can you read this one? What is that?
Every knows place.
A very noisy place. That is right. Okay. Do you like noisy places? Hehe. Noise?
No.
No. Say, I don't like noisy places.
No.
Like
No place.
noisy places. All right. Okay. And let's check this out. Wait. Here. So let's check the first word. There, there, there.
There.
Okay.
The cloud there
Yes.
looks like a car.
Very good. The cloud there looks like a car. Good job. What about here? Say here, here, here.
Here.
Hmm?
Here are some flowers.
Yes, here are some flowers. Very good. What is this? What is that?
Place.
Good.
The beach is
Uh,
a beautiful place.
Beautiful place. Okay. What beautiful. Here, I have a message. What beautiful place can you think of? Hey, hey. Yeah.
What beautiful place can you think of?
Yeah. What beautiful place can you think of? Yeah. What place? Yeah. Is it a house? Okay. What beautiful place can you think of? Is it a park? A garden? Your house? What do you think, Hehe?
Toy.
Ah?
Toy.
A toy? Oh, toy?
Yes.
Like this one? Toys?
So
Yeah.
many toys in here. So many toys in my house.
Oh, there are so many toys in your house. Okay. So what is your favorite toy? What's your favorite toy? Is it a
Oh, my toy.
all your
Oh,
toys?
my.
All? You can say this way. Where is that? All my toys are my favorite. Can you say it? All my toys are my favorite.
Oh, my. Favorite.
Yes, okay, let me add that sentence. Practice. Okay, number one. All my toys are my favorite. What about place? Hehe, place. Place. Mm, this one. Place.
Bạn có thể nghĩ ra địa điểm đẹp nào không?
Yeah. So it's a place. What beautiful place can you think of? Yeah.
No.
You don't know? Okay, it's fine. Let's check this out then, okay? So here, there is a fish. Here is a fish. Now, I want you to circle the boy, the girl, Who says there is a fish? Where is it? There is a fish. And number 2, here is a fish, right? Yeah. There is a fish. It's far. Here is a fish. It's near you. Okay? Yeah. Did you get it?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, that's nice. All right. Next one. Here, what about this one? Let's check, okay? In which picture does Timmy see a nice place? A nice place. What is that? Where is
In
that?
which picture does Timmy see a nice place?
Place. Okay. Where is it? Can you tell me? Nice place. Place. It's a place. Where is that? A place.
Where are the place in the park?
Yes.
One day for
Huh? What is that? Look. Okay. Place. So when we say a place, how do I say that? Place, baby, place. When we say place, this one.
Địa điểm.
Place.
Place.
Okay, so this is a bird, this is a boy, this is a place. So, Timmy sees a very beautiful place. Look, there, maybe there, right? Hehe.
yes.
Yes, okay, that's full. Oh, put down your shirt. Put down your shirt. Next, choose and say. So here, can you answer this one? What a beautiful...
What a beautiful place.
Ah, okay, yes. What a beautiful...
There
Yes, let's...
are many flowers.
There are...
Here is the rainbow.
Oh, here are... Okay, oops, wait. Yes, there are, or here are. Cindy is saying it, so we say here. Okay, here are beautiful flowers, and this one here is there. Okay, did you get it?
Yes.
Yes, all right, that's amazing. And next one, let's check this out. Clear, okay. Next, let's read. Hi, Timmy, what are you doing?
Hi, Timmy. What are you doing? I said
am
I read a
I'm
book
reading.
for English class. It's very interesting.
It's very...
Interesting.
Ah, okay, this word, say it again. Interesting.
Interesting.
Yes, okay. Let's add that to your pronunciation. Okay. Interesting. Wait, let me add that here. Interesting. So when we say interesting, is it Titvoy? I'm not sure. Interesting is hapdan.
Hấp dẫn.
Ay, hapzan. Hapzan.
Interesting.
Say it again. Interesting.
Interesting.
Yes, interesting. Okay, and then next, let's check this out. And I can't hear you.
I can hear you. What happening
There.
is heavy noise
Noise.
in my
Eh,
garden.
Yeah.
Gorilla
Playing. It's very noisy here. Again.
is
It's
very noisy.
noisy. Yes. Here.
Here,
My brother is...
my
playing his guitar.
guitar.
Yes, do you know how to play the guitar?
No.
No, I don't know how to play the guitar too. Yes, and then wow, your place.
Wow, your car is very noisy. Yes, it is.
Yes,
I can live here. I need,
and
I
read
need
here.
a quiet place to read.
Okay, I need a quiet. Say quiet.
I
Quiet. Say noisy. Can you say noisy? Noisy. Say it again. Noisy.
noisy.
Noisy. Okay. Do you like a quiet place or do you like noisy place? What do you like?
No,
What do you like? I like a quiet place.
quiet place.
Yes, a quiet place. So where is that sentence? Okay, all my toys are my favorite. And number 2, I like quiet. I like a quiet place. I don't like noisy noisy place. There, can you read this one? I like a quiet place. I don't like a noisy place. Go.
I like a quiet place. I don't like a noisy place.
Yes, I don't like. Yes, that's true. That's true. Okay. And next, do you want to?
You want to go only to my place? It is nice
And
and it's quiet here.
okay. Sure, I can.
I can read my book here.
Yes, that's right. Sure, I can read my book here. Okay, there. And what about you in your house? Is it noisy in your house or quiet?
Quiet.
Okay, our house is quiet. Can you say it? Our house
Quiet place
is quiet.
is quiet.
Yes, our house is quiet. All right, very good. Next, let's check this. What does the girl here say?
It's nice and quiet here.
It's nice and quiet here. Yes. What about here? The kids are playing. What do they say?
It's very noisy.
It's very noisy here. It's very noisy here. Say it again.
It's very noisy here.
There, it's
Noise.
noisy. That is right. Okay, now let's look. Oh, can you answer this for me? So this girl says it's nice and quiet. Yeah, can you check it for me? What is this message? Okay. So let's check, okay? So, Emma, let's, wait, let me use black. So, Emma here says, what does it say? It's
It's nice and quiet here.
very good. It's nice and quiet here. Yeah. Yes. What about Timmy? Timmy?
It's beautiful
And warm
here.
here. Okay. Well,
It's is very cold here.
It's very cold here. Yeah. Yeah. In my place, it's raining, so it's a little bit cold in my place right now.
No, I don't go.
Ah, in your place, right? It's not cold. It's hot. Whew, it's very hot. Yeah. Yeah. You need this. You need this one? Yeah.
Very cold.
Huh?
Cold.
It's very
Hot.
cold. Woo! Yes, it's very cold in Teacher Mel's place. But in Hehe's place, it's very hot in your place.
Hot and cold.
Huh, hot and cold.
Yes, there is a puddle.
There is a, what is that?
Puddle.
Oh, there's a puddle?
Puddle. I
Yeah.
go in, I have a Minecraft.
You have a,
Minecraft.
oh, you Minecraft. Oh, you play Minecraft? Yeah.
I have one. I have 129.
129 Minecraft
Oh,
heart.
no. 1 million.
You have 1 million?
Yes.
Yeah, so that's a lot. Okay. All right. And that's cool. That's cool. What else? What else? What else do you have?
A sword Minecraft and a biggest Minecraft.
You have the biggest Minecraft? Oh,
Yes.
yes. Do you play Minecraft? Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Yes. Until
Ah,
portal button in here I go to the portal button and
yes.
the Minecraft.
Okay. So who do you play Minecraft with? With mommy or friends or classmate?
Me.
You only play it alone?
Me and my friend.
Oh, okay. Say this one. Let's have your sentence. I play, number 4. I play Minecraft, okay, with my friends. Say it again. I play Minecraft. Oh, no. Don't do that. No, that's not good. Okay. Okay, no. Yeah. No. Okay, here. So let's start this one, okay? Let's watch. What about here? Here. So can you answer this one for Teacher Merle?
I don't see.
You cannot see? Oh, you wait. Okay. And later you will see that one. So, Sam, what is Sam's question? What's that? Yeah. What's happy? Or use your pen. What's happening? Use your pen. It will help you. What's happening there? Say it again.
What happened here?
What's happening there? Say it again.
What happened there?
Happening there. Okay, what about here? Look. Ta-da! What's that? I can't hear
I can
hear.
hear a penguin. What's there?
It's what's
It's
happening?
we are
Noise.
having a party.
Yes, okay. We are having a party. Okay, right there. Let's talk about, so can you give me some noisy places? Can you tell me some noisy places? Yeah. Can you give me some noisy places? Okay, like the park. Yeah. What else?
I don't think.
I don't think. What are noisy places? Schools, right?
Yeah.
Okay, what else? Shopping malls. What else?
Quiet,
Huh?
quiet, quiet.
Oh,
Wait,
yeah.
I
Noisy places first. Let's think of noisy places. Parks. Okay, schools, shopping malls. What else? Hehe. Play, playgrounds,
in the
amuse,
toy.
amusement parks.
I don't like amusement
Ah,
park. I like amusement park.
oh, yes, amusement parks. And what else?
Alright.
You don't like it? Okay, but that is an example of a noisy place.
And I don't like noisy place.
Oh, you don't like noisy places. Even Teacher Mel, I don't like noisy places too. Yes, but what else? What else? This one. Football field, right? What else? Can you add more?
No.
No more football fields.
Basketball.
Basketball court. Yeah, that's a basketball court. Okay. And what else? What else? Cities. Okay. And now let's talk about quiet places. Okay. Quiet places. Or can you read this one? The library. And what about here? Temples. Sorry for that. Pagodas. Okay, so we have quiet places, library, church. Can you say church?
Chairs.
Temples,
Apples.
shrines,
Rice.
pagodas, pagodas, pagodas.
The
Pa-
boulder.
yes, pagodas. Okay, and what is this? Some parks are quiet too. Parks and nature, right?
Park and nature.
Yes, that is correct. Okay, parks and nature. What else? Quiet places. Countryside. Yeah? Yeah?
Countryside.
Okay, what else? What are other quiet places? Your room. Yeah, bedroom. Bedroom of Hehe. Is it quiet?
Yes.
Okay, what else? Hmm?
Bathroom.
Bathroom. Yeah, bathroom. Could be. Okay. But when you're
And
and
a
and what
bike. A
and
bike.
a bike.
Yes,
Bike.
I have a bike.
Oh, you have a bike. Okay.
I play bike with my friends.
Okay. So you say this way. Okay. I ride.
To the mile.
Yeah. I ride my bike with my friend. Okay. Bike. That is bike. All right. What else? Bedroom of Hehe. Okay, let's add that. And what else? Okay, so those are quiet places. Also,
Bathroom. Bathroom.
Bathroom, are you sure?
Yes.
Is it quiet there? Hmm?
Yes.
Well, what if there is a, when you're taking a bath? Yeah.
Yes. I think about no noise.
Okay.
I go to the bath. It's very quiet.
Okay, all right. Bathroom. Oh, okay, there. So those are, yes. Okay. And, always remember we use there if it is very far from us. Far, there is a clock. There is a tiger. There is Okay, but if it's here, here is my bottle water. Here is my pen. It's near me. That's when you use, okay, that's when you use, what's that? Your here and there, okay? Did you get it now? Yeah? All good? Do you have any questions? Ask Teacher Merle. You can ask me. What do you think? Easy?
Easy.
Okay. So today is Sunday. All right. What did you do the whole day? What did you do today? What did you do today? Oh, where are you now? Yes, yeah. What did you do today? Where are you? Yeah. Hello. There. iPad, Chakan. Is this you? Okay. Hello. Oh, what happened to you? You were lost. Yes. Oh, so tomorrow is Monday, right? You're going to school tomorrow? You're going to school? Do you have homeworks? Do you have a homework? Yes. Yes, you have no homework, or do you have homework? Tell me.
No.
Oh, I don't have a homework.
Oh, homework.
I will go to school tomorrow.
I go to tomorrow.
School
Teacher.
tomorrow, yes.
Teacher Merle.
Yes, Teacher Merle will sleep tomorrow. Yes, I will sleep tomorrow, but Teacher Merle will see you again tomorrow, right? Teacher Merle, yes, I will see you again tomorrow, okay? All right? Yeah?
Yes.
Yes, okay. So, where is that? This is for you. Can you read it? What does it say? Lantot lang! Hehe! Okay. Don't forget our lesson, okay? Alright? I love you. So say goodbye. I have another class now. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.